Colin, RDL Laser Services, it's a new company formed under the umbrella of the RDL, call it group, RDL Technologies. Sounds, I suppose the answer's in the question, but laser marking, tell us about it and what you're offering to potential clients and customers.
We offer a laser marking service, basically parts that require marking. We have this facility here to do basic flat marking and cylindrical part marking.
I'd like to talk about what you can do, but it's also good to know whether there's any restrictions on what you can do in terms of size, the types of parts, and tell us a little bit more about that.
Basically, we can mark everything apart from glass or wood. Plastics are included. Some plastics mark, some plastics don't. That's just a matter of doing the trials. Limitations, it's really its size. We can mark parts 2-3 inches, that type of thing. We can mark parts up to maybe 400 millimetres.
And it's quite interesting because we don't often go into machining companies or engineering companies where they have a marking service. So before RDL Technologies would have had to have subcontracted out their marking to another source before they set this up with yourself. I mean, how much of a market is there out there?
I think it's a way of letting people know what the machines are capable of and what laser marking can offer potential customers.
Because you wouldn't just take every single component you manufactured and laser mark it, would you?
No, I think there's two ways. Part marking, laser marking, either is a value added marking, and also part marking, which is a requirement of the part which needs to be done. Laser marking is a quick, efficient marking service.
Not being too technical about these things, I'd like to know more, and maybe I'm sure our audience would as well. Is it an addition process? So is it like a printing process when you're marking, or is it in like an engraving? What's the technicalities?
You could say it's similar to an engraving process, but this is a non-contact permanent marking.
Okay, and your response times if customers come to you with a job today, you're pretty quick in how quickly you can turn it around?
We turn probably 75% of our part marking round within 24 hours. Again, it's a volume. Most people volumes now are in the region of 20 to 100. But most parts can be turned around within 24 hours.
So this is a great outlet for someone around the East Midlands area, or in fact anywhere really.
Anywhere within the country, we will get the parts here and they will be processed efficiently and quickly and sent back.
And this part of the business has not been going that long. It's only about 6 months, I believe. So.
That's correct. This was set up in September.
And since that initial conceptions, how's things?
Things have been going very well. Again, RDL has a good 50-60% of the workload, which needs to require, and the rest is other people's marking.
So the message from this interview really, Colin, is if people are looking for marking services, you guys at RDL Laser Services could be the answer.
The message is yes, we could be the answer, but also we are here to show you what laser marking can do for your marking requirements, whether it be something new or something existing. It's mainly to allow people to see what laser marking can offer them.